hurt me with the chattings. Come on, man, I buy BMW X1 2020 Vision. So the bumper pussy blood my left boy and buy a car. He might just over my car. Can't have it script me no worries. Come I go find money pearl off back the black or pretty up back the blood clot black. Could I worry about blood clot, man? Eh? Me could I worry me hurt over what? And a taxi car them go upon them date. When me a Akim I go upon date. A car me driving. The drop, the man with the drop top. Eh? How we do not want to try create something. You never know how we do not copycat it. We did it first. Yeah. When the boy I go a car we go in him car. He drives. We're not gonna taxi. Take it here. Hey, Miss. Seven all day. Hey, I can't laugh if I foo people. See how ya? The boy, I'm gonna a big X app will leap. I'm gonna drop top. I'm gonna jump on the bike. She. But man, no me involved with own things. Drakes, he said Drakes are gonna get one girl for me jealous now. Me drive a X1, the girl have to go 4 or 5 or 6. Me not in a lead. She's just a regular day. So what the fuck me for jealous? You know have sense? If Drakes book that a girl for me feel some type of way, me drive a X1, she have to go 3, 4, 5 or 6. Me not in a league. When me I go out with any boy, me can drop them in my car and carry them out. Me not take taxi gun away. Me stop call for cab. Until me can drive, but just call one of my nigga and I say, drive this. Me go up on the road. I know me not use people. Me drive, so the bumper pussy blood clot. You can't take a girl when I drive. You left your baby mother. You left your baby mother. Your baby mother is driving. But talk about girl, we have to call it the Uber. The Uber Eats. Make it make sense. Avani jealous. Cause them a look cloud. Me nah look no, me have my name already. And when me a Akim create pan the net, them far from it. Cause first, me say people, two people go out. When you go out with a part with somebody we say you go out with, I want somebody to take live. I'll match me see them a play. Them not focus on them one another. I uno them one for soon, not me, cause me care Z blood clot. If I talk to my mouth coming up, we don't on a careless thing. Come here. Let's see. Candy sister. Nana British come by me about 2 times, about 3 times. And me not really want to rub her the right way, you know. I mean, I really want to rub her the wrong blood clot way. But Nana British, message to you. Come I really want to stay and pound, come I want to gain a clout. Your body mouth pants or sister couldn't gain a clout. You want 2 minutes of fame, you get it. Nana British, me not argue with Scabby, you know. Nana British, me not argue with Scabby. Nana British, me not argue with Scabby. Nothing about you, me not argue with Scabby. Nana, me not argue with Scabby. Nana, me not argue with Scabby. Because your sister don't look good and you worse. So me not argue with Scabby. Me a top girl in my own blood clot game. My gas tank ever full. Me not argue with a beast.
You play a 3-way? You play 1 3-way?
Go play no?
I mean chat rank. Well, I know you could add one more somebody though. Go play 1 3-way first. Go on.
Yeah. I'll play 1 3-way.
Rank chat. I know when I want to go on this, so can be a full night on this.
YB.
Oh, well, for the first gift. Exactly, Jinny. Come now, book a. You know, some Jamaicans have some different way of thinking, though. Focus on the match. At that, we come over here final. And we jump easy. See like what Jayden always do. Not hard, not them something there. We just press a button and I put the other side, it's gone. You know, please, we focus on the match.
True light, beg you something. What do you mean, say something?
One Anat and a Rosa. One Anat and a Rosa. One Anat and a Rosa, chat.
Guys, who are one Anat?
One Anat and a Rosa. Anat and a Rosa, chat, please. Yeah, one road, yeah. Respect. See, big up. Triple now, chat, please. Use the triple. Use up the speed. Play the game. Use the speed. Play the game. Triple chat.
Thank you, baby.
Triple guys. Triple.
Team, use the triple chat. Use the triple.
YB. YB.
I've been out on your
Sniper
for the
Dana.
time free. That tank shot. Thank you, Golden Knight.
Big uncle, I
You
give
can
you
put
last night speed. Eat it.
Where's the eat? Where's the eat?
Where's that?
What do you say?
I'm gonna catch the last part of when you say the tree long.
Are you there or something? We have somebody else now.
Push up the score.
So
Yeah, snipe shot.
Kiki there?
Push up the score, chat.
In JAKES, I can't soon go to the darling. Some of us are.
Push up the score, chat. Push up the score.
Jesus Christ. Man now own him up. Jesus.
Can snipe chat? Snipe chat.
Snipe, chat. Snipe. Last man standing.
Let's see if we can add triple. Add triple. Come. Match. Oh, I got. I got. Oh, you laugh up, so Kiki, how you laugh up with the woman and I try to take the woman, man?
They know they.
That's
With a match now, come the man, play a match now, man. I want to hear Jakes stop with that, stop my brother. Play a match, you.
You play so much, John.
It's about to go down.
The tension in our room real.
It's about to go down.
You say, I have an extra about tension in the blood clot room, real.
Me dear.
Triple miss.
First, triple chat. Triple chat. Me not the money gun.
Why be?
Me not the money gun chat.
Guys, we're gonna open up, please.
That was some work.
Not nice. The first gift you
Yeah,
put out
somebody
was the
triple.
Lago Cadic.
Chat, use the triple nana wheel. Can't put on it. Me not the money gun
Not
chat.
nice. Put them
Oh,
on,
then
put them
Lord to
on,
level up.
Somebody else with them first gift.
Cheers, thank you.
Whoa, that gun, guys. Not saying nothing yet. Wait till it
Put them on,
starts.
not nice.
Me dear.
Oh, yeah, NSC there and it cranberry. All of them work. That's strong drink. Ross. Let me shut it raw.
Most wanted. I get on my last bed. Chat focus.
So how is the relationship going now?
Thank you, Goldie.
Guys, not.
PK muting.
Guys, not.
One anat.
Chat, Anna.
One anat. One anat.
Guys, what
One anat
Anna?
display.
The relationship I done.
One
for-
anat or 3 donut. One anat or 3 donut chat.
Thanks, everybody.
So Jakes, who are the wife?
Guys, don't say nothing yet. Wait till the triple start.
I
That
want
nice.
wife. I want wife.
Triple
No,
nice.
So you have to go on with the foot.
Guys, use
Chat,
the
use
triple
the
You have to
now.
go on with
Use
the
a
foot.
trip here. Use a
That
trip here.
Use the time street chat. Come on,
Use
chat.
the
Use the
triple,
time
guys.
street.
Use a trip here. Use a trip here.
Let's go with it. Let's go with it.
Triple
No,
chat.
guys.
Use the triple chat.
Thank you, Patrina.
Right.
Use the triple, guys.
Can't
Use
put on a- can't put on a triple.
use the triple now,
Chat
guys.
triple.
Come on, a chat.
Triple chat.
Guys, triple, guys.
Nice.
Thanks, guys.
Team Beck,
Use
put
it,
something,
guys.
guys. Chat on the
Use
put
Chat,
something.
put some on the triple in a chat.
Guys,
Come
the
in, put
triple,
something.
guys. Use the
Chat,
triple,
airport,
guys.
that nice.
Airport.
Put something,
Guys,
come
one
here.
galaxy,
Not
guys.
nice,
One
chat.
galaxy.
Come, put something, chat.
Guys, one galaxy. Somebody send me one galaxy.
Airport.
Airport,
One
that nice,
galaxy,
chat.
somebody, please.
Airport.
One galaxy,
Airport, a
guys.
chat.
One galaxy, guys.
Guys, that reach 10K.
One
Yes.
galaxy, guys. Galaxy,
Snipe it,
guys.
snipe it.
Please. One galaxy,
Bumble
guys.
squad.
One galaxy, guys. Come on, guys.
Snipe it,
One
chat.
galaxy.
Snipe it,
Galaxy,
snipe it,
guys.
chat.
Triple
Snipe
chat.
it,
Galaxy,
chat.
guys.
Snipe it,
Chat,
chat.
snipe it, triple
Alex,
chat.
nice.
Snipe,
Nice.
snipe.
Thank you.
Whoa, we coming late, man.
Team.
Thanks.
Send for L.
One big happy family.
122 shares and really? Power tap.
Guys, go and tap up the screen, guys.
Roast can't stand
Power
around.
taps, chat.
Who me can't stand, Jayden?
Eh?
Who me can't stand?
Myself, yeah.
I have nothing against Kiki. I'm happy for them. I give you my blessing.
You have two type of blessing. You have good blessing and you have bad blessing.
I give her a good. That's on Bible. I give them my blessings. I don't care.
Okay.
Some of us we are the ones that kind of carry the torch and have people.
I said try.
Chat, power tap.
Us and stuff. So
Power tap, chat.
Guys.
And not too loud, you understand now. What kind of style is? What kind of...
So you did go nice, Kiki.
Yeah, it was awesome. Butterfly feelings and all of those things.
That's nice.
So where you feel the butterfly? Where you feel the butterfly? In your chest or in your back or in your toe?
All over from head to my toe.
So Kiki really like Jakes.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
What wrong with him?
Nothing at all.
I say, he can cook nice, I see.
Him cook for you?
Him jerk chicken.
Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Him can do him thing, man.
Yeah.
Of course, you don't know Rosalie because he remember saying you just cook for you too.
If you're serious with him in a Kiki, come on, him leave me alone. Come on, go use up my hole.
Say him a trouble out when last.
If you see when last,
Yeah.
you want me to elaborate?
Yeah, go down in the details.
Thanks, chat.
Thanks everybody. One know what going on.
Good on the details.
Chat first triple.
What if I miss Kim?
Chat first triple.
Triple guys.
First play triple
Your
chat. The
mother.
first gift triple.
Triple guys. Use
First
triple
gift
chat.
triple chat.
Triple.
Triple no guys.
Go use the
Please.
triple and you win the one in the chat.
Triple.
First gift triple chat.
Guys. Triple guys. Use the triple now.
The first gift where you put triple chat.
Triple chat.
Team, snipe it to somebody who can snipe it.
Thank you. She are Goldie.
Now, put up on the triple.
Chat on the follow page.
Wait, this a drop.
Chat and please follow.
Not nice. One on a little bit, not nice. When I watch a score, don't run them score yet. Don't run them score yet. Deep on a 60-second speed.
Watch
Come on
out.
the band, Kiki.
June, Gemini.
What date I do in the band?
We can interview this.
Oh, that's nice.
I interview.
What's wrong?
That's nice.
Ally. That's Gemini?
So I know how exactly you feel.
Guys,
No, sir. No, that me. So hold on.
I know exactly how you feel. Two and not. Two and not, chat.
that you say man no want me?
Kiki does work with the process, hush.
Alright. One next Anna. One next Anna.
Come on,
Nice,
chat, get the speed. Get the speed, yeah.
I know you love Shanchan and Barbara work.
Get your speed.
Yeah.
Work with the process, baby.
Alright. I told you today I will be a good stepmom.
Double chat.
Double.
But so Kiki,
Double guys.
I want to that live though because
Me have a big bed.
Double chat. I approve this
Double guys.
relationship.
Double
Chat.
guys, double please.
Rosa, what going to do?
No. I'm gonna do nothing. Like I reset the yard back. I'm gonna like that restriction, yeah.
Chat, you double done?
So she a come back.
Moving to Ross.
Come here, you send your gloves, eh?
Guys, pass Jayden, please.
Go and push up the score in the meantime, chat. The number 80. Hey, boy. But straight in mix up, you know. Boy, straight in. You know, I'm
I would have
moving.
just if you put on close Jayden time at.
Straight in.
And we just have to put on close time at.
You see the same thing, him nah move like a JAYDEN, move like a JAYDEN. You see the man just box over him here a while ago.
I can't
See the
have
move over
no
him here
box
behind
over.
him ears.
I can't have none for box over. Other back. John line in other back.
Yeah.
It's the other.
You didn't wait now? Man, pass something right, that's a brother. People give the best battery quick and fast because I'm around me and I can't manage with them.
Come on, Brad, power tap. Come on, my team, power tap,
Thanks here.
Danolio. Come on, chat. One money gun for the first triple. We could see if we can beat team chat. Come on, chat.
First speed, the first give them triple chat. The first give them triple.
I hear a man call him.
Where Jake's gone?
You know, I use a Kiki.
No, use at all, darling.
Oh, sh.
What you mean him now use me?
Him now
Because
use
him
at
jump
all.
and go left you.
But
Not use it. You blind?
And I did the tomorrow we are gonna meet up, so me not care.
Me know.
So
When Gemini want man, them want man, you know, I'm sorry for you.
yeah. Guys, first triple, please.
First triple chat.
Triple chat. So when we're not link up this time. You're yard.
Yeah, people claim me something, baby.
So you never said this morning I saying come get me. And like me here say we go with taxi or drive. Who take taxi?
Yeah.
You're there.
You drive a car?
No, but you just have a car, so what you try say? You just own one, you going like you own a car for you the 10-year-old.
Yeah, but when my man pick me up on a date, a car, my man pick me up in a.
And a car and keep me up right
You know, drop below, him own a car, I drop below my standard, so what you say?
What I say, we still not walk and take taxi.
We don't know, me never go on a taxi, my man car, I'm going now.
And
Wait, they are tell you.
any day you not try say nothing because we are public. I don't like saying did hide me.
Kiki, Jake's now why you know?
That's why you're saying, so you're saying
It's where they done the date with Jake's call me. But tell her who go, Jake's and Jake's brother. As two other smarty.
And which two other
You
person?
need to listen. It's when they done the date, him call my phone.
Yeah, because your baby mother
listen. You have to listen.
Listen why the man don't want you say you're done. Why are you so pressed?
You want an argument. You know no sense, you know. You want an argument. When the man done the date with the man call me. Yeah, the man said to me, say, if he say me and Kiki there, I hang up him phone. I pay laugh, me I laugh, you know. I don't argue with any kind of sense. I feel cloud can look to blood clot. If he say, I me left Jakes and Kiki. I me left Jakes. I me left him. I me left Jakes.
I know say delusion.
Triple chat.
Triple.
I me left Jakes.
Triple.
I me left Jakes Kiki. I me left him. Some people want somebody on my left.
So you press if the man want me, yes or no?
No business the man want you, baby. I'm glad me glad for you now.
What?
I'm glad for you. I'm not busy with you, baby.
Oh.
I'm glad for you. I me left Jakes.
Triple.
You go like a Jakes left me. I me left Jakes, baby. I might reject your pickup.
Eh? Like you want to say the man want me.
I might well happy for you and that man.
Well, it's why we are go battle for that.
No, you, me and you.
Because in the day in come, you saw him come back, you still go accept him. You still a call phone.
Why
Because
Jakes there?
are you first call Jake's phone? You go like him and did a call
I
on the
called
phone.
Jakes to fix my Wi-Fi to do my work. What are you talking about?
So
And
what
I'm
you talk
I don't have
say?
to block you.
So how
No,
comes
hungry.
him a call your phone to fix Wi-Fi?
Hello, listen, shh.
Why you never call him
We're not
man?
gonna argue. You're gonna listen because we're not gonna argue. You're gonna listen. Me call Jakes for to fix my Wi-Fi because I don't know what to eat. What they want in our work. Listen. Listen now. You have to listen, you know.
Yes.
Listen. But call him to fix the Wi-Fi because it never work when they don't know what to eat. Him pop out one, him take out the card and put up the other card. Today when it not work, I call him back. I say, look, if the card want change or something. But I realize I just have a technical difficulty. What you mean by?
You know make no sense.
You know not make no sense.
Because you say you have new man and you don't want the man. Why you they call him man? Why you don't want? Why you not call him
You
man
want
to
him?
come fix
I
it?
can't use him. He's my baby daddy. I can call him and use him at any time. He's my baby daddy.
Use what?
Yes, use him. He's my baby
Use
daddy.
him how? You're delusional, you know.
Are you delusional?
Are you delusional?
Are you
Don't make you could call your man.
No, because use my baby daddy come there nearer.
But he wasn't available.
Kiki, the boy coming to my house before him go at you.
No, but when me the family there, me see you call. You, me see call.
How did I eat that girl? Yeah? You know
You call him man when we was on date.
Liar,
So
eat
stop
that
one like
girl.
you no call him man.
Listen, now come and I go argue the kind of
And not him call you first.
Listen,
call
no,
him.
man, you have to listen because we're not going to argue.
Listen what? Listen what? You call him and I was there and I told him answer.
Say me even call me.
Snipe.
I will call him.
Guys, snipe, please.
So we argue over Jakes?
Yes, obviously. Because you're trying to tell me saying they don't want me.
Chat.
Thanks everybody.
We argue over Jakes.
Because you're going like the man don't want me.
The man want Kiki.
Me's a good stepmother. Cause why? Cause what?
He want you.
Yes, accept it.
Yeah.
Yes. At least the man never hide me income with. You cannot win Rosalie. You can't
You win. Gigi, you win.
Yes, because NIDF, me take him on, me go live public and everything when me can never pull up. Yeah, go and let me take him on and do it as a secret. It was public. First triple threat. It was public.
Yeah, take the man public. Kiki, take the man public, yeah.
Yeah, and
Nothing, not worry, baby.
oh, because if a man don't want me, guys, make it make sense. We are make some things make sense over here. So the man don't want me, and you the man want. Okay, are you in my use and whatever you want, put it as. Why did he came up public?
It's not about me, baby.
You know see how fast.
Say want you.
He want me.
Alright, he want you.
Alright. And tomorrow 9 o'clock he's gonna be here.
Okay, alright.
And okay. Just want to know. Come. What are not tracks? Cause if a man never want me, the man would hide me. He don't hide me. The whole world see. Yes, if he did that take me and nobody don't know I say Kiki him
Get your speed.
And Kiki, I think that is Alia problem, not mine.
Who is Alia? Cause if Alia want a Jakes girl, a dead girl that again, or if you have your man and the next girl out with your man
I don't
publicly.
argue me, stop me,
Oh no, no, make no sense. Because an idea, if your man no want me to win, triple me still win. Thanks. Even if I feel a minute, me still win a
Why
year.
you
Man,
win?
but yet me
Triple
can't
guys,
go
come on
public
and chat.
with the
Use
man.
your triple yeah.
Me go public with the man.
Use the triple
All
chat.
if the
Chat,
man
man,
no
get
want
nothing
me,
over here
guys,
saying,
triple.
and me
All
a
if the
put in
man
the
no
work,
want me, the man go public
It's
with
alright.
it.
Chat.
How can I have my man and him go public with the next girl? Friend him go public with the next girl, all argument done. My
Triple
man no rate
chat.
me, my man no respect me. So now dead girl in a show, be a dead girl a flip up them bats. And do them dead again.
Triple chat. But
And do them dead again.
Kiki, you know what you miss?
What me a miss?
You know what you miss?
What me a miss?
And me first go up on date when me there with JAKES. So I mean I
And-
want him. Yeah, me I tell you.
And
Triple. Him want you.
me I go show you one. How much years I say you there with Jakes? Me I go teach
That
you
now
one little lesson. Me I go show you this.
Yeah.
Me I go show you say one man take 10 years to do for you and can do it in a 1 week. Just relax and enjoy. Show you go see woman one from woman no one.
So if JAKES why Kiki I don't care.
So where you flip up your butt for? Where you
You have to
talk
put
for?
my butt.
Where you flip up your butt? You flip your butt right now.
Me have to put my butt.
Yes.
Like you're not.
push
You're not.
out,
Kiki,
you push
Kiki,
out
that's
your
a-
butt for dead.
Kiki, that's a chat. Cause you have mouth. You know me. You not get what me I say. You not get what me I say, girl. You don't. Just a chat, so. Flip up which butt? What is wrong with you, girl? Like you don't. You're a fucking idiot or you don't. What is wrong with you? Are you slow or something? If you are playing match, but I don't want to hear about JAKES. You can't bother me. I don't want to hear. If you not play match, I just jump and end my life. I soon to back again anyway. Like a drunk card, you just a chat. So, like a clout, you look or something. Yes, a clout, you look. You hear that? Girl, me not feelings with JAKES someone that even me a fucker, that's why I left him. So I don't know what I talk about. I'm like, when me a fuck boy, I feel him. I not feel JAKES. That's what I'm telling me, I feel him. Something wrong with you? You're not. Girl, go on where I go. You chat too much. Go on. Can't bother with fucking you. Go on where I go. You don't have fucking sense. Let me go to my road. I have one shipment for collect for 12,000 up a sheen. I'll collect it tomorrow. My fucking ass blood clot. Is that what this is? Yeah.
Rosalie.
You chat too much like chatting or some argument. You can't bother. You don't have sense. What's wrong with you? Chat too blood clot much. Yeah. Why not have a blood clot? They have to play 2 blood clot game. Try to make us say we can go and try 2 story or something. This shit annoy me. A lot of people annoys me. She's annoying me. Yeah, she looks like she want boss. I tell her me give me blood, you know, bag of chatting. Girl, go away, go, yeah, man. Cause I never war of a man, then I'm not take me go war of a man now. I'm telling you this. You see, if me want a boy, I'm jealous over a boy. Argument show up, I'm in an argument to that. I'm in an argument to that. When me want a boy, I'm jealous over a boy. You say the boy when me not jealous over, me not want them. We have to say, yeah, man, I got me for what the fuck that have to do with me. When we get up today, I must be about after 2, 1, 2, must be about after 1. 1 o'clock, so. So the internet now work. But the last time the internet now work, I call him, I say, so call upon the internet. Because you know, when I take out, me and believe when I take out the internet, so probably I want plug at work. So, I call him, I say, so come fix the internet for me, and him draw out one card, the long card, him draw it up and hook it up to the shorter part of the card. So I say, no, some never know say can't do so. Because when me call the internet people, them might tell me say me wouldn't get internet back for now. You know when them call me it was about 3 days after. And I need my internet for work. Cause when I start life up, if I start life up, my service to glitch. So today when I sit now, I call, I say come up on the internet for me and him come look and him say no. So when I call, just say no, I'm on the phone. Them still one message, them I say, them that one dispute outreach in the area, so look like it affect me too. So I'm call them. I'm call them now. I'm call them, digital, I'm call them now, I realize say, at the internet, at the outreach before I see it. But before that, I never know say, I'm not pan date, pan car. I call them and I say to them and say, did you plug out back the car? Because you have time when you have to plug out something and plug it in back, you know. So I ask him, say, if him plug it out and plug it in back, him say yes. I'm a fucking internet, me a blood clot to talk about. Who busy do you? Someone who don't know? Nonsense. Who busy do know? I don't give a fuck what people want to say. What are you telling me that for? You may make people say, I'm in a business. People can't always say, I'm not live for people. I'm in a business with people. If I want him, I can't come tell the internet say I want him, I'm out. Because I say it. I don't want Jakes. I tell that numerous of time. No, oh my God, people have sense. I'm not better about it. People are say jealous. People have sense. Literally sense. No, say, you cannot left a man and then be jealous over him. That make no sense. The people that have sense, not about people have, not about people like troll. Not about people who have real sense in a real life. You cannot leave a man and then be jealous over him. That no make no sense. So if the man want you kick it up, fine. Whatever. Every night, I sleep comfortable in my bed. Me one. Me glad, me happy. Me busy with you? Me busy with the Kiki. Me busy with the Kiki a blood clot. Mixup because I'm going to lie down at 12 o'clock. That more do no more going to lie down.